Hey everyone, welcome back to Nurni's Kitchen. Let's prepare these chocolate soufflés in just 10 minutes. I love chocolatey desserts and truly enjoy making them, especially when they're this quick and easy. We'll start with 2 eggs and 3/4 of a cup of sugar and beat them well until smooth. Next, add 4 tablespoons of cacao powder and 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then mix again until everything is well combined. After that, add 3/4 of cup of milk, half a cup of oil, and 1.5 cups of flour, and mix until you have a smooth batter with no lumps. I don't have souffle baking dishes, so I'm using a slightly larger baking dish instead. And with this amount of batter, it works well for 4 servings. Once the dish is oiled, pour the mixture in, making sure not to fill it all the way to the top. You can also add a piece of dark chocolate in the center to enhance the chocolate flavor. Finally, bake at 392 Fahrenheit for 6 to 7 minutes if you're using individual souffle cups. If you're using a larger baking dish, bake for about 10 minutes or slightly longer. The center should be soft and wiggly, while the sides should be set and slightly firm. Your rich chocolatey souffles are ready to enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more recipes.